online or locally. Save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.
Hi everyone, Chef Mark at Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom, and I am here in my laboratory doing some vegetable prep, and today I'm going to be working with Brussels sprouts. Now Brussels sprouts need a little bit of work when you get them home. You can cook them just like this, but you're missing the mark if you do that. What we're going to do is I like to shave off that root end, and maybe not even shave it off. I take off a decent amount. You can see I take off enough that it lets me knock off these few outside leaves. And these outside leaves are kind of beat up and they're leathery. They're not as nice. One of the things you can do if you want to get fancy is the nice leaves, like this one. That's a really nice leaf. These fry up really nice. You can throw them in a deep fryer and they get crispy and delicious. Those are really good, like a Brussels sprout chip. And then you can cut these whole. Another way to process this, and this is what I actually prefer, is I cut it down off the root end and in half. Then it's really easy to peel all those extra leaves off. Sometimes it'll feel like you're just peeling and peeling and peeling, but I like to get all of those leaves off so that I end up with a really nice Brussels sprout. Now if you look here, look how much kind of trash I end up with compared to how many Brussels sprouts I end up with. So if you do this properly, it might feel a little wasteful, but your product is gonna taste a lot better if you go to the trouble to do this. So that's my preference for cleaning Brussels sprouts. Regardless of how you're cooking them, I always like to make sure that I clean them nicely before I do so. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join us again.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.